Looking for coffee grinders gift ideas for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1. Freshly grind your coffee beans and spices without losing any flavor. Perfectly grinds beans for drip coffee makers in less than 10 seconds. Large grinding capacity yields up to 12 cups of coffee, by Krups. Number 2. JavaPresse manual coffee grinder, Conical burr mill, brushed stainless steel. No batteries, power, or long plastic cords needed to operate your portable compact coffee grinder, allowing you to travel with and brew freshly roasted ground coffee beans on your next camping, hiking, backpacking, or outdoors trip, by JavaPresse. Number 3. 160-watt motor grinds with minimal noise. Stainless steel blade to grind whole beans for a rich, aromatic blend. Heavy-duty motor housing, by KitchenAid. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.